everybody, welcome to my class today. In our last class I have discussed up to form 25. Today I am starting form 26. Integration dx by ax plus b, that is a linear expression into under root a quadratic expression. To solve this type of integral, always put the whole linear expression as 1 by z. Ax plus b as 1 by z. Okay. So let me start with first problem. Integration dx by x plus 1 into under root x square minus 1. Look, this is linear expression, this is quadratic expression. So according to instruction we have to take x plus 1 equals to 1 by z. That is your x is 1 by z minus 1. Taking differential we get this. Now here we have minus dz by z square, this is 1 by z, and this will be under root 1 by z minus 1 whole square minus 1. Now this becomes minus dz by z into under root 1 by z square minus 2 by z plus 1 minus 1 cancelled. Now this z will be inserted within the square root sign and it becomes z square then. This will be minus integration dz by under root 1 minus 2z. So to solve this, I have to write here half integration d of 1 minus 2z by root over of 1 minus 2z. Look, d of 1 minus 2z is minus 2 dz, so it becomes minus dz. Now this is equivalent to say du by root u. You can consider this with du by root u. Root u means e to the power minus half, so 2 root u. So this integral will be half into 2 root over of 1 minus 2z plus c. So this will be 1 minus 2 into what is z? Z was, I have taken x plus 1 is 1 by z. So z will be 1 by x plus 1. So 2 by x plus 1 plus c. So finally your answer will be x plus 1 minus 2. That is x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus c. Okay. Next, let us go to the second problem. Number 2. Integration dx by x minus 1 under root x square plus 4. Look, this is linear, this is quadratic. So we have to take x minus 1 is 1 by z, that is x equals to 1 by z plus 1. Dx is minus 1 by z square dz. So here the integral becomes minus dz by z square, this is 1 by z under root x square is 1 by z plus 1 whole square plus 4. So this becomes minus integration dz by z under root 1 by z square plus 2 by z plus 1 plus 4, that is plus 5. This becomes minus integration dz by this z when enters within the square root sign becomes z square. So this becomes under root 5z square plus 2z plus 1. Now let us take 5 outside the integral, we get minus 1 by root 5. Let me first make it in the suitable form. Here we have 5z square plus 2z plus 1. Take 5 common, we get z square plus 2 by 5z plus 1 by 5. We get z square plus 2 into z into 1 by 5 plus 1 by 25 minus 1 by 25 plus 1 by 5. This becomes z plus 1 by 5 whole square plus 4 by 25. Okay, so now I am writing here minus 1 by root 5 integration dz by under root z plus 1 by 5 whole square plus 2 by 5 whole square, and here I am writing d of z plus 1 by 5. So this is readily integrable. This will be minus 1 by root 5 ln of mod of z plus 1 by 5 plus under root, this will be z square plus 2z by 5 plus 1 by 5 mod close plus c. Next we have to just substitute z here. What was our z? Our z was 1 by x minus. This we have to substitute. Minus 1 by root 5 ln of mod of z is 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by 5 plus under root z square. Z square, that is 1 by x minus 1 whole square plus 2z by 5. 2 by 5 into x minus 1 plus 1 by 5 mod close plus c. You can simplify it. Mean of mod of 5 plus x minus 1, that is x plus 4 by 5 into x minus 1, and here it will be under root 5 into x minus 1 whole square. Here it is 1 plus 2 into x minus 1 plus x minus 1 whole square mod close plus c. LCM will be 5 into x minus 1, here it will be x plus 4 plus root 5 into under root x square minus 2x plus 2x cancelled plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 2 cancelled root 5x plus c. So finally we can write the answer as minus 1 by root 5 ln of mod of x plus 4 root 5x by 5 into x minus 1 plus c. Okay. Next question. You can leave the answer just after substituting the value of z also. Okay. Now take it as homework. Integration dx by x minus 1 under root x square plus 1. Same process. Here answer will be minus 1 by root 2 ln of mod of 1 by x minus 1 plus half plus under root 1 by x minus 1 plus half whole square plus 1 by 4 not close plus c. Next one, integration dx by x under root ax minus x square. Its answer is minus 2 by a into under root a minus x by x plus c. Next, let me do the problem. Integration dx by x plus 1 under root x square plus x plus 1. Let x plus 1 is 1 by z, that is x is 1 by z minus 1. So dx will be minus 1 by z square dz. This will be minus dz by z square into 1 by z under root x square, that is 1 by z minus 1 whole square plus 1 by z minus 1 plus 1. Okay, minus 1 plus 1 cancelled. Dz by z into under root 1 by z square minus 2 by z plus 1 by z, that is minus 1 by z plus 1. Now insert this z within square root sign. Minus integration dz by, this will be 1 minus z plus z square. Okay, now z square minus z plus 1, this can be written as z minus half whole square plus 3 by 4. So I am writing this here, minus integration d of z minus half by under root z minus half whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Now this can be written as dz by root of z, this will be minus ln of mod of z minus half plus under root, this is actually this z square minus z plus 1 plus c minus ln of mod of, what was our z? Our z was 1 by x plus 1. 1 by x plus 1 minus plus under root 1 by x plus 1 whole square minus 1 by x plus 1 plus 1 plus c. Keep this as answer. Okay, we have completed form 26 here. After a short break I am coming with form 27. Okay, till then be there.